What's up guys? This is Cookie again and you're watching Kishi Vlogs. So today is Friday. It's Friday the 13th. And medyo may schedule tayo ngayon, may gagawin tayo today. So last night I just received a text from Resbacuna Cagayan De Oro that today is my schedule for vaccination. So I'm a bit nervous. I don't really like needles at all. But, you know, we have to be brave because we need to get this done. So, it's gonna be my first dose. I'll just prepare a bit and then punta na tayo dun sa SM Downtown kasi dun yung schedule ko for vaccination. It's 12 noon but I'm gonna go there a little early. Samahan niyo ako to get my first dose. Okay? So, I'll walk you through the process para at least yung mga hindi pa na-vaccine or nag-aantay na sa schedule nila, they know what to do or they have the idea on what are the procedures, what are the protocols, mga ganun lang. So, simple lang naman. Okay? So, I'll just take a bath and then let's go. So dito, sinita ako ni Kuya Guard kasi nakalimutan kong isuot yung face shield ko. Bawal yun Papunta ka ng mall, bawal especially sa public places na hindi face shield. So yun, nasita ako. Eto, at nakapasok na sa mall. So medyo walang tao talaga. Yung mga tao na andito are all scheduled for vaccination. So yun, papunta pa tayo sa 4th floor kasi nandun yung vaccination area. So as you can see in my background, close talaga yung mga boutique sa mall. Ito na yung 4th floor guys, sa cinema area. So dito yung vaccination site. So, yung mga taong nasa surroundings, yun yung mga earlier schedule. Mayroon yatang 10 a.m. at saka 11 a.m. So, since 12 noon pa naman yung schedule ko, pinapunta muna kami sa 5th floor. Dito yung waiting area sa mga hindi pa scheduled. Pero sa baba, as you can see, start na sila sa vaccination for the earlier schedules. At ito na nga, nasa 5th floor na kami nag-aantay para sa distribution ng priority number for schedule 12 noon. May mga kasama ko sa likuran na same with me na 12 noon din. Pero sa baba, yun, medyo busy na talaga sila. So, from 5th floor, pinababa na naman kami sa 4th floor. Dito, parang nag-group nila yung by schedule. So, may mga 1 p.m. din dun sa kabilang waiting area. So, dito, puro 12 noon ang mga ito kasama ko. So moving along in this area, you have to show to to the in-charge your confirmation text message from Ras Bakuna in order to get a priority number. In this area, you have to present one valid ID. Yun yung magiging basihan sa informations na ilalagay doon sa vaccination card na ibibigay sa'yo. In this time, I have presented my valid ID to the encoders para makopy nila yung informations ko dun sa vaccination card. They will also take a picture of you para mailagay dun sa vaccination card. In this area, this is where the orientation happens. Dito, may mga forms na ibibigay sa inyo for you to fill up. Dito din sa orientation, may makikita tayo mga video clips patungkol sa mga vaccines, about sa COVID, at saka mga frequently asked questions. And these are the forms you have to fill up. Yung consent at saka yung health declaration and screening form. Yung sa health declaration form naman is ang mag-a-assess sa iyo is the attending physicians. After signing up the form, you have to go to the checking of vital signs. They will need your BP status, your heart rate, and oxygen level. After that, you have to proceed to the physician's area where they will check your health declarations and screenings. Also, they will ask some questions about allergies, previous vaccines na na-admit na sa'yo, and others. During this time, I was really a bit nervous already because I'm one step closer in getting vaccination. I don't mind about the vaccine, but I'm really nervous about the needle. And just like that, my vaccination is done. Sasabihin din nila kung anong brand yung itinurok sa'yo at when yung next na schedule for your second dose. This time, after ng vaccination, they will need you to rest for a while and they will call your number according to the time na naiturok sa'yo yung vaccine. Also, they will get your vital signs again before ka maka-exit sa facility to ensure na okay ka lang after ng vaccination. So that sums up my first dose experience and I'm hoping na sana nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to.